Bosnian champions Borac hold a slender lead with the winner facing Fiorentina or Rapid Wien in the round of 16. The hosts are without the suspended Raul Florets after his red card in the first leg last week. Borac are the first Bosnian team to reach the knockout stage in its current format, but will their journey continue? Olimpija corner. For now, though, two players are down. Next Tam is lying on the ground here, and the referee, Manfredas Lukjajukas, has stopped the game here. And the penalty's been given. After a VAR review, the hosts have a chance here to level things on aggregate. Oh, it's saved by Manojlovic! It's a missed penalty by Alex Blanco, and he couldn't get to the rebound first. Tam, teasing ball in, it's off the bar! What a chance there for a lead on the night. Jorge Silva's corner. Headed on, and onto the top of the bar from Ahmed Mohamed Begovic. He just cannot find a way through yet. Borac with a rare attack in this game. Let's double their lead on aggregate here. Vukovic! Oh, what a save! Vidovšek there flying away to his left-hand side. What a stop. Mladen Zizovic is shown a second yellow card here. The Borac manager sent off. Borac celebrate, 0-0 on the night. They go through 1-0 on aggregate.